Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful weekend, or had a wonderful weekend. I guess it's over now, so I hope you guys all had a wonderful weekend. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this guy right here. Can kind of barely show you the front of it, but it is the IPSY GLAM BAG X. It has changed so many times. It's the highest IPSY, guys, and I have it here. I've had it here for 2 days. Have had no time to unbox it, but we are going to do that right here and now. Thank you guys all so much for all of the new people that are here from my, what was it, the Lunar Beauty unboxing. Welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Just a little bit about what I do. I try to help us work on the inside as well as the outside. So when I actually do makeup videos, there are a lot of times like self-coaching, life coaching videos and little things that can do to help you and help everybody with keep your mental health as healthy as we can be and unpacking things with everything going on in the world and so much trauma. There's so much positivity that I'd like to put out and maybe help in any way that you guys are willing to receive. So today we're actually just going to do an unboxing, but I hope you guys are taking care of your mental health out there and unpacking those feelings like we're unboxing this box every day. Every day, check in with yourself. All right, so I'm just going to flip this around to make sure my address isn't there. And this is how it came, guys. Not too much finding out what's in here. Let's go option by option. I kind of hate going through this. I'm not going to lie. I don't know how much any of us want to know the price. You guys are going to have to let me know how many of you guys want to know the price of everything in here and the breakdown. When I can see something, definitely go through it. Just the newspaper that we get every time. But I think you guys more here for what's in the box. Could be wrong. Let me know down below. So the first thing that we've got in here, guys, is something from Kinship, and it is called the Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. It says melt like jelly. Awesome. Okay, so this is a lip mask. I have a ton of these open, but it says melt hydration, gentle exfoliate for plumper, softer lips. So I don't know if it's a plumper per se, but it looks like maybe it does the rest of it and helps like renew the lips, causing a plump. The next thing I see in here is something I didn't add on. This is Roller Lash for 3 doll hairs. The following thing I see in here is I believe it's the Nubian. Yes, the Nubian. So this is by Juvia's Place. I happen to love Juvia's Place. Excuse me. I have to get a scissor so I can open this up. Scissor. If you guys watch Pokemon, sorry. Nerd in me coming out. So this is the, I believe it's a brown and like a gold. Oh, actually, I see it on here and it retails for 20 doll hairs. It does not want to open for me. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try and open it a little bit more. I don't know what's happening. I thought I got all of it. Oh my gosh, it's just really stuck together. Holy cow. What are you guys all doing for Valentine's Day? Happy Valentine's Day, my loves. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful Valentine's Day weekend. All right, guys, so I'm going to open this up. It is, okay, so there's pressed pigments in here, and then there's eyeshadows. So it has the regular warning for pressed pigments, no mirror, guys, which I actually really like. I don't like the waste of a mirror, but these are the colors, all very neutral shimmers. I do love me some Juvia's Place. My only thing with putting my fingers in here and showing you everything that's in here is that, sorry, my dog just walked in, is that, you know, the shimmers and the mattes I have all of these colors, and I feel kind of bad because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about it. If I do decide to keep it, we'll dive into it one day and create some looks. If not, maybe I'll take another brown palette that I have with similar shades and show you guys, if you guys did get this, some looks you guys can do. Maybe we'll do something like that, get caught up, talk about my health, talk about some life coaching things, and move, you know, in that direction again. So the next thing I see in here are brushes. Okay, so I liked these because they were detailed brushes, and if you guys watch my Lunar Beauty, you'll know that, like I said, like I love brushes for hooded eyes because I have like hooded eyes. Like if I look up, the lids are actually gone. So these are 3 brushes, as you'll see here. We've got like an under eye brush for smoking out. We have the, okay, my nails aren't dirty, guys. I had to like spray the top of my hair and keep putting my fingers through it, and I'm biting because I'm stressed. So There's a brush for doing your brows, an angled brush, you can use it for whatever. And then like a very small, I would say detailed, like creasing brush. I'm seeing a lot of people do that wing inside, and it's just like a layer of eyeshadow that you kind of buff out, or it'd be great for under eye as well. So super excited to have these. This was a choice of mine. The next thing I see in here is the IGK. So it's a 4-in-1 Prep Step Good Behavior. So this is a hair mist, and let's see, it has coconut oil. It is good for frizz. It is great for unruly, damaged, dry hair. Hello. And it says it's great for sleek, smoothing, frizz-free, healthier looking hair. Could have used this earlier tonight. You can apply it evenly when it's wet on wet, clean hair before styling, comb through, blow dry. So this is something you want to use as a pre-product before anything else. Great. Or obviously, if you want to use a detangler, and that, you know, you use the detangler first. So the next thing I see in here, okay, so I heard this is like $150 or something. This is the Ms. Skin. It is an eye cream. I am not going to open an eye cream. I have a million of them out. I apologize, guys, but I don't like to waste. So if you're here, you'll know that a lot of times if it's an eyeshadow, I usually always swatch. Lip colors, all of those things usually always swatch. But if it's an eye cream, a moisturizer, something that I have 50 open of, I'm not going to do that because I hate waste, and I feel like I'd either give it to somebody or hold it and do it. So another thing I'm looking to do on this channel is to do skincare videos where for like 4 weeks straight I try all of Wishful, or for 4 weeks straight it's all Glow Recipe, or for 4 weeks straight it's all Pharmacy or Tatcha, stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that. I do have empties to show you, and that's gonna be my first skincare video, I feel like. So the next thing I see in here is actually for face, neck. It's a face and neck serum. It's multi-use and natural. It's by Noto, and it's called the Deep Serum. Let me see if I can find out just a little bit about it, because that tells me absolutely nothing. But I also hate spending time like looking into this. Let's keep the videos short and sweet. I know that's what you guys are here for. So, okay, I cannot find it. The lip cream was $18. Yeah, okay, well, I can't find it, and I hate going through it like that. So it is a serum. Obviously, it's natural, and it's for your face and neck. It tells me ingredients. It doesn't tell me what it does. Not the best marketing in my eyes, but hey. Okay, so a lot of oils, grapeseed oil, good oils. Fruit oil, grapefruit peel oil, coffee seed, beans. Okay, so great over the top oil. Really got some great products in here. Okay, come through. And then the next thing I see in here is the Radical Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum, and this is from First Aid Beauty. Love this brand, so I did pick this myself as well. And then these guys right here, I am excited for. I feel like I'm missing products. Like I'm 99% sure that I am missing products, because that's all I have, and I put an add-on in for 2 things. One of which was the Lash Roller. The other things are not here, so I'm not sure what that is. Look how cute this sunglass holder is. Adorable. It says Clay on the front of it. I thought they just did hair products. I guess not. I guess they also make sunglasses. Now, I went with some kind of bold ones. I feel like I had a million other pairs of ones that look like the Ray-Bans, and thought these were absolutely adorbs. So let's try them on. You ready, guys? Yes. I have an odd head for these. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to work. What do we think? Are these cute or not? I love how one of my brows, so I've had mini strokes, and I love that like one of my brows, I've always said this, is like higher up than the other. What do we think, guys? Do we like these on me or not? Be brutally honest. Need to know. Can't be out rocking these. You guys are my friends. They're really cute though, and they feel nicely made. They feel like a nice, like decent luxury sunglass. So, and I love this. I love this holder for it, and the fact that it comes with this to clean it. Really, really cute. This is probably my favorite thing in here, although I do love the niacinamide. The palette's really pretty. The eye brushes that are really tiny are great. I have the serum, the hair stuff. I really like everything minus like this really expensive eye cream, which I don't believe it is, and this kinship. I have a million other lip glosses. I mean, I'm sorry, lip treatments and stuff. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this necessarily right now, but hey, you know, we'll see. So just so you guys know, right now I do have a giveaway up, and it is 1 or 2 videos back. You have to watch and see. You're just gonna like do what it says. You're go to my IG, write something on there, let me know that you're there. And exactly what I said to do. So check that video out. I love you guys all. Thank you for spending this time. Make sure you're unpacking your emotions every day, checking in with yourself, take care of yourself. It's just that, you know, like they say in the plane, you have to help yourself before you can help others. You have to put your mask on yourself before you can help others. And I'll be back with a makeup video and a self um, life coach video as well. All right. I'm sending you guys out so much love. I've got a Skims video coming up as well. If you're in for that, we've got some good fashion stuff as well coming up. So I love you all. Thank you all for being here with me. Sending light and love to all of you, and be safe out there. I will see you on the next one, guys. Mwah. Bye, guys.